All right, team, welcome back to part four of the ultimate indicator. And what we have here, guys, is a nice pink line that is an exponential moving average. Okay, this moving average is the 20 moving average. I'm going to show you here with the basic EMAs. Okay, so that's my intermediate, and the intermediate length is 20. So I put it up here just for purposes of the indicator, and I want to show you so you don't have all these lines. And I've seen people's charts, they got lots of lines. So let's go through this. So we went through shapes in the last video. Now I'm going to show you other shapes you can add. So we did the first two here. Now we're going to do the next two. Now the next two is very simple. Either we're going bullish or we're going bearish. Okay, now if I come over to my inputs, you can see my EMA is the 20. Why the 20? I love the 20. Now, let me tell you, this is adjustable, first of all, okay? You can adjust it to 25, 30, 40, 50, whatever you prefer. Some people like swinging on those different averages. But I use 20 because 20 is one of the indicators that is used in Wall Street. And it does work, guys. I use it all the time. That's when I know the trend is really getting bearish or getting bullish. So let me demonstrate here on the 1 hour chart, okay? So when the price action goes above the actual moving average, you're going to get an alert, and it's going to be a little green circle, a green dot, okay, whatever you want to call it. Now, when the price action goes under the 20, you're going to get a red dot telling you that we're going bearish now. And if it flips, of course, you'll get that. Now, why is this important? Okay, because you want to know, is it time for me to get out? So if you're swinging, okay, or swing trading, let me make that clear. If you're swing trading, guys, you want to know, hey, the trend is changing on me, so I'm going to get out. I just got my red dot. Or if you're using the arrows, you can say, hey, we're below the 9. Maybe it's time for me to get out. So here you go, okay? And you can see the trend was headed down, okay? And of course, there was a pullback here, and then it kept going down. But the indicator did tell you that you were below or above the 20. And look at this, guys. Now, this is what Wall Street really goes after this. And this is what they've told me. Okay, I've talked to some of these guys. Look at that. And we went below the 20, and it just kept going and going. And then over here, okay, you saw the trend. It hanged in there for a while. So the 20 is a pretty good indicator, guys. Now you have it in this indicator, and you can turn it on or you can turn it off, guys. But remember, okay, this is an option for you. If you guys sign up for my courses, you get me full time. You can get me in the chat group. You can send me a text, okay? And if you have any questions with the indicator, I'll gladly answer it. Now, if you have any questions for now, feel free, guys, leave me a comment below. But this is part 4. We're headed for part 5. We'll see you there.